Hey you guys, so I am doing a cash out for Prize Rebel. So first I'm going to go to rewards so I can show you how I'm going to access those rewards. Here is my points. Now I'm a diamond level member and you can see that's 35,149. And I'm going to do PayPal. Now I'm not going to do this. I'm going to go over here to all of the rewards on the sidebar here. I'm going to click PayPal. And I'm going to do the custom amount. Come on, computer. I'm going to do the custom amount. So with me being a diamond member, it doesn't cost me $35,000 for my $350 cash out. It's a little cheaper. So I'm not sure exactly what level you guys are at, but I am a diamond level member, so I'm going to do this amount, and this is how much it costs: 34,920, and I have 35,149. So I'm going to claim this item, and it says, "Are you sure you want to claim this prize?" I'm gonna click OK, and it says pending. So, okay, nice prize. Want to show it off? So you can show off your prize if you would like. You know, share it to Messenger, email, Google, Twitter, Facebook. And it says this here if you're a Gold Plus member. But it's going to go in pending. It will go into a payment complete status. Just like the rest of my payments I have here. So, again, you will go to rewards here. And you can go through whatever rewards you decide to go through. I did PayPal, but I did custom amount. But there's a lot of rewards here that you can get. And I see Dwella again. It's some type of direct deposit website, or so if you know anything about that, you can post that in the comment section below. I would like to know more about it. I tried to look at it, but I didn't really understand it still, so I did PayPal. Okay, you guys, so after waiting and it being in a pending status, now is in a payment complete status. After waiting a couple of hours, I will show you. It's in my PayPal. It showed up. It's $360. This is my current amount here. And it does say iAngelic. But if you click it, it says right down there, Prize Rebel. $360. Of course, how I achieved this, I was doing surveys. I was doing offer walls. And everything pretty much that's on here. So I click surveys. And of course, this is a daily survey. So it's 80 points. So you can do it daily, every day. You can do surveys. Now, you're not going to qualify for every survey, but you have to keep grinding, have to keep trying. And there is times when I do not qualify for certain surveys. So this will be in the description box below. But again, you don't have to use that. You can just go to prizerebel.com, but it will be in the... I did see in the comment section some websites and apps that people would like for us to review. I will be trying to get to some of those sometime this weekend and this week. So be looking out for those videos. Turn your notifications on if you would like to see any upcoming videos. I hope everyone has a great rest of your weekend. Thank goodness it's Friday. Bye, everybody.